Hi, and thank you for watching 10 Fingers Up. Today's video is inspired by the upcoming holidays, Christmas to be exact. And I was sitting here trying to figure out a Christmas look that I would like to wear. And this is what I came up with. I wanted some dark nails, dark and shimmery. So I will have a dark base, and I was thinking about, for the shimmer, I would go with some foils. So just hold on and you'll see the look that I came up with. Thanks so much for joining me. And also, this is a small channel. I'm new to YouTube. I'm also a beginner. So if you like this video, I would like for you to check out some of my other videos. And also, while you're at it, just subscribe. I try to post at least once a week, and they are usually short videos, some of clients, some just me styling my mannequin hand. But anyway, to be supportive and see different looks that I come up with, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, click the like button. If you don't like it, please share in the comments what you don't like about it. And also, while you're there, give me tips and ways on how I can improve my videos. Anyway, I'll just sit back and let you guys finish watching the video, and I'll be back to see what you thought about it. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm back, and I'm at the point now where I am putting on a base coat. I am preparing the nail to receive the foils that I've decided to use. And so I've just topped it off with some base coat. And so I'm curing it with my little LED light here. And now you see me about to apply the foil glue. Yes, the nail art foil glue. And I'll cure that for about a minute or so. And for my foils, I decided to use 3 or 4 colors. I think I had a blue, a red, a gold, and a purplish color. And I just randomly placed them different areas atop of the nail. And here we are, and I'll let you guys look and I'll be back. Now I'm applying top coat to the nail, and I am preparing to cure this look. Okay, and here's the finished look with just the acrylic sculpted nail in black with the assorted color foil art placement on top. And coming up next, you're going to see a variation of this. I wanted to see what it would look like with the kind of pearl, the pearl essence on top, just to see what type of effect that I would get. And here I just cut a piece off of a cosmetic square triangle pad and just dipped the corner in some of the pearl dust, and I'm just lightly tapping and rubbing it in to the nail to spread it around. A little bit goes a long way. And what I found when I did this technique is that I don't know, it changed the look in a way that I think I liked it better with just the top coat. But now we see what it looks like with the pearl essence on it. Either way, I think it's cute. But for the look that I'm going for, I probably just stick with just the top coat with the foils. But anyway, the pearl essence goes on smoothly. and I'm just rubbing it in. And I'm getting ready to apply this top coat. So I would like for you guys to tell me what you think. Which look do you like best? Do you like it with just the top coat only, or do you like it with the pearl essence? Let me know. I like it both ways. My preference though for the look I'm going for the holidays is probably just the top coat. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like the video. And if you'd like to see more from my channel, I'm a growing channel and I need all the support that I can get. Please take time out to subscribe. And I try to post weekly. And various videos. I use acrylics. I use hard gels, soft gels, powder gels, dips, just whatever. And I just freestyle nail designs. So I would like to thank you guys again for watching. I hope to see you back up to my channel at 10 Fingers Up. And until next time, enjoy and tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.